Hey there. So today's video is going to be short, sweet, and spicy. We're going to simplify the system for you guys as beginners if you're just using ANNOVATE indicator for the first time. And all I'm going to do is go for a 1-to-1. I'm going to take 100 trades. So random number generator, 60. So 1-to-1 hour, 36. So we're going to just hop on a random 36-minute time frame. Just going to do it on gold, right? So let's just do it on gold real quick. Let's do a random number of how many times I'm going to swipe to the, first of all, let me choose this 36 minutes. I'm going to choose the randomness of how far I scroll back. 1 to 10, generate. So 5 times. I can scroll back 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have no idea what's gonna happen here, and I'm just gonna go right there. And if we get 100 of them, then perfect. So let's start now. Yo, I just finished 100 goddamn trades, bro. Look at all these. So you have to look at it like this, right? Jesus Christ, that was a lot of trades. You have to look at it like this. It'd be 155 out of 100, and we lost 45, right? This was with no context. This had no context whatsoever. So we literally were just taking any single one of them, every one of them that activated. The rows are simple. So the rows are simple. If you see a demand zone or a supply zone, you're just taking the trade through the high or through the low. So on a supply zone, that's the low. This is where the triangle would have been. Trade moved up, didn't close above the MAs, came back, passed through there. That's where we got in. As you can see, I did it 100 times, right? And that's the trade. Vice versa, if you were buying, you had the swing high, swing low. You're trading through the swing high. So as soon as it passes through, your stop loss is below the swing low, and you're just going. What I want you to realize is that this system here, even without context, would still leave you up over 100 trades. And remember, this is the 36-minute time frame. You have to understand that if you were trading with, look at this now, if you were trading with $1,000, if you were trading with $1,000, right, calculator, understand this, 55,000 minus 45,000, you'd have walked away with $10,000. If you were trading with $100,000 a trade, $100,000 a trade, and you saw where we didn't take more than even 4 losses in a row, I think. So 550,000 minus 450,000, you walked away with $100,000 with just doing this and no context. So imagine if you partnered this with higher time frame context, where you would minimize your losses. You obviously can see where the benefit to this is absolutely crazy. And this is for the beginners who have no idea what this is or what they're doing. You can trade any and every one of the plots in both directions. And as you can obviously look and see, some of these even went, like this one right here, that's a 1-to-1. The max potential of this one went up to 1-to-8. The max potential of this one went up to 1-to-3.51. You know what I mean? Look at the max potential of this one. Just showing you what it is. I'm definitely not gonna do the other time frames because that was long as hell. I did not realize how long that would be. But you can see where all of these trades here have the potential to do so much. You know what I mean? Look at this. Max potentials of all of these. So these trades that you're looking at, they can run crazy. Look at this one right here. That never got returned to. Hello, my love. You hear her trying to tell me what to do? So look at this one here. That ran straight up to 1-to-26. And then the max potential of that one here, if you look on the side, is that. She trying to say I shouldn't talk so much because my throat still hasn't healed as yet. But anyways, I'm doing this for you guys. This one ran to a 1-to-28. You know, and with context, you obviously like looking, you would have been bullish throughout this whole thing, right? Because what we would do is zoom out, look at it, and then we would have been bullish, right? So you know that we would have gotten into some better trades than these ones. Those ones that we were selling in that never had no reason to be sold into, those would have been eliminated. We would have only been buying in this market, which would have done what? Increase our win rate. So the losses that we would have taken probably would have been by half this. So what was $1,000 where you would have walked with 10,000 might have been 50,000. And as long as you're doing the math like that, you'll realize how beneficial the system is. Anyways, hope you found this useful and beneficial. Peace.